Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle phone mounts on Amazon. A motorcycle phone mount works with your smartphone to feed you turn-by-turn directions and alert you to incoming notifications. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lamical Bike Phone Holder. If you're on a tight budget and don't encounter harsh weather, the Lamical Bike Phone Holder is for you. I should know. I own one. Keeping your phone in place is a spring-loaded clamping system, which has soft rubber on the inside. You can easily pop your phone in and out using just one hand, and it'll accommodate phones between 4.7 to 6.8 inches. Once your phone is in the mount, you can secure it by flicking a switch at the back, which locks it in place. When this mount system is locked, your phone will stay tightly gripped. The ball and socket mechanism keeps my phone in place surprisingly well, even on my KTM Duke 390 with its little thumper. The only negative is that it's made almost entirely from plastic. What we like about it? Great value for money. Easy to use with one hand. Secure locking mechanism. What we don't like about it? Made from plastic. Won't last long in harsh weather. Number 2. Rockform Pro Series. If you fit your phone to the Rockform Pro Series mount, it's not going anywhere. This model works with a Rockform phone case, but if there's no Rockform case for your phone, you can use a Rockform mount adapter. The adapter fits on practically all phone cases. Unfortunately, the cases and adapters are sold separately. The primary form of security is a twist and lock system made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel. A dual retention magnet works with a magnet in your case or adapter as a secondary form of security. As a final means of protection, you also get a lanyard. This mount is so secure that you can even use it when riding over rugged terrain. What we like about it? Extremely secure. Sleek design. High-quality materials used in construction. Very compact. What we don't like about it? Requires case or adapter sold separately. Highest end of the price spectrum. Number 3. Whale Fall Phone Holder. Anyone who rides in the rain needs a water-repellent mount, and the Whale Fall phone mount is a great option. This mount covers your phone entirely. At the front, there's a touch-sensitive film that's 0.25 mm thick and offers frost protection. This film, combined with EVA material and a one-piece molding process, makes the case waterproof. If you're worried that water could get through in heavy rain, you can use the rain cover that's included. The case and mount are relatively sturdy, but don't offer the best security for sport or off-road riding. The mount fits handlebars with a diameter of up to 1.80 inches. The case can house phones sized up to 7.0 inches. What we like about it? Weatherproof case. Touch-sensitive waterproof film. Rear storage pouch. What we don't like about it? Not as sturdy as other cases. Could cause the phone to overheat. Number 4. Quad Lock Motorcycle Fork Stem Mount. Anyone who rides a motorcycle with clip-on handlebars can feel shortchanged by the lack of bar space, but the Quad Lock Motorcycle Fork Stem Mount is here to help. This mount works with a quad lock case or universal case adapter and a patented dual-stage lock to ensure your phone isn't going anywhere. The fear with some mounts that require cases is that they can damage your phone's camera, but thankfully you can get an optional vibration dampener with this model, which I would recommend doing. What we like about it? Easy to use clip-on mount. Extremely secure. Very compact. Fits the majority of motorcycle stems. What we don't like about it? Requires case or case adapter. Vibration dampener sold separately. Number 5. Sena Power Pro. The Sena Power Pro was built to last, and it made me want to hit the road and start hunting state lines. Anyone who's used Sena headsets knows the brand doesn't skimp on quality, and the Power Pro phone mount is no exception. Every component is made of metal or high-strength plastic. The quick-release mechanism is secure and easy to use. The 10,000 mAh battery bank adds much-needed life to your phone's battery when you're hours deep into a cross-country road trip. Although this model is water resistant, it's not waterproof, so be mindful if you're going to leave your bike in the rain. What we like about it: charge your phone while you ride. 10,000 mAh battery. Mixture of metal and high-quality plastic. Water resistant. What we don't like about it: not waterproof. Takes up handlebar space. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.